Hi, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Sampada Vaze. I passed out from business school many years ago. I worked with Shubhashish and in Arthur Anderson, we worked together. And now I'm in the media space. And among other things, I also host my own podcast. So that's it. I'm based out of Bombay. So that's a little bit about me. And I wanted to make this session different than the previous one I had with the other students. So tell me a little bit about yourselves, like your life journey. What brought you to GRMI? Whoever wants to go first is good.
It's better for you to choose.
I should choose. Okay, I'm going to pick the person who hasn't said a word. Aman, you haven't said a word so far.
Hi ma'am, my name is Aman Mishra.
I know itni bhi life journey hai nahi, but like whatever, like what brought you guys here? That's what I want to start with.
So I'm Aman Mishra. I'm from Faridabad, Haryana, and I've done my graduation from Delhi University, and post that I have worked with EXL Services Private Limited for 2 years almost, and after that I appeared for CAT exams, and somehow I didn't score that great, but I got the opportunity to join the GRMI and cleared all the processes, and then came. But the curriculum had convinced me a lot that this is a better course than a regular MBA, and that's why I chose this.
I think MBA is more generic, right? This you'll be
Yes.
specializing in something, so probably that gives you a sense of satisfaction. So are all of you Faridabad North mein hi hai, right? It's in the north. So are
Yes,
all okay? So all of you all are from there, or some of you are from different parts of the country? Who's not from North India?
I think so.
I'm
Everyone.
I
Shramita.
think I am not from India. I'm from Calcutta.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm from West Bengal, Calcutta.
So how did GRMI happen for you?
Because I think JRMI is doing a very good role in online space. So I think we have a lot of people who are not from Delhi NCR. We have people from all around the country. So like I was working in an academy for the past 2-3 years, and in the edtech sector we have seen a lot of changes after post-COVID. So that made me realize that how important it is to for organizations to deal with risk. And there I thought that this can be a good line for me. This can be a good sector for me to gain more knowledge. And apart from that, a lot of my friends had already pursued general MBA, and they were still very lost in their career path, and they were still very confused because they had no idea where they are going to get placed. And after they got placed, they were not happy with the kind of work they were doing. So in considering all these facts, I thought that I should research something, a college which gives a niche specialization in risk domain. So that is how I found GRMI online, and then I researched about it, and I thought that this matches my need. And there I spoke to a lot of alums, and I thought that I think this can give me a good boost in my career. So I came down here and joined here.
Calcutta and Gurgaon is very different. How are you coping?
It is very different culture-wise. My experiences, food, everything is very different. Like most of the things that I've experienced here is for the first time. I had no idea that people have chole with chawal. So that was one of the. And apart from that,
तो आप लोग छोले किसके साथ खाते हो? What do Bengalis eat? छोले?
paratha and roti. We have never had chole with chawal.
Okay.
Food-wise, culture-wise, language-wise, there's a lot of difference. But not necessarily everything is. Like it's good as well. Like I am liking the new experiences that I have, meeting new people, learning new languages, learning a lot about the North Indian culture that I had previously only seen in television and movies. So it's a good experience overall, I think.
Yeah, it's interesting, because I think, like I read this somewhere, that अगर कोई foreigner comes to India and they visit only Calcutta, or they visit only Tamil Nadu, or only Delhi, they will go back with 3 different ideas of India. Someone will go back and say, अरे खाना तो ऐसा है, लोग तो ऐसे, and you'll be like, there is no connection between the three. So I guess,
and I think most importantly, when we have come here, so I have made my friends go through Bengali culture as well. So we have went to Durga Puja celebrations, and a lot
you
of people got to experience that.
You
Yeah,
found
yeah.
that in Gurgaon? Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
we did find it, and a lot of people experienced it. So it was nice. Like in our class, we have people from South India as well, North India, East, West, everywhere. So there's like a cross culture thing also happening, which absolutely helps us work on our personality, our empathy, cultural understanding, all these things these are also the things that we gain from the class atmosphere. So that is a plus thing that we get over here.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. That's good to hear because Calcutta and Gurgaon, you'd think like, okay, what it's so far apart in everything.
Yeah.
So Arif, how has it been for you? Are you where are you from? And are you in? Is this like the second half of your course? When does your course get over?
Ma'am, I'm actually from Patna, Bihar.
Okay.
Our course will be over till May,
Huh.
probably. We have all completed our first semester. Only one exam is left.
हाँ.
And
और लिट्टी चोखा मिल जाता है गुड़गांव में? मिल जाता होगा ना?
हाँ मैम मिल जाता है लेकिन वो वाला टेस्ट नहीं है जो बिहार में.
It's close by, so it's much easier to get like Bihari food and stuff rather than like.
No ma'am, it is very different.
It is different.
Yes, it is completely different. We don't like. I have not still got the best chicken around here.
You've not got.
No, I've gone through many places to have the taste, but I'm
Not.
getting it.
तो आप सब लोग रहना कैसे मैनेज करते हो? So do you all are you all rooming together या कोई dorm है? Because I remember from MBA कहाँ रहना है and खाना was the biggest rona for everybody. Everybody was perpetually crying about that, right? तो कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो आप लोग?
It is similarly with all of us, but we are living in different PGs. In evening we meet sometimes, but majorly we eat in our PG only because the food. जैसे हम बोले मैम यहाँ पे खाना आगे पीछे वैसा नहीं है जैसा हमको चाहिए, मतलब एक टेस्ट होता है वैसा नहीं होता.
हाँ. तो मेरा हाँ GRMI. So is there a canteen there? तो तीनों 3 meals are where in your PG or they are at the canteen कि कैसे?
Ma'am, all 3 meals are in different places. Sometimes morning we do it in PG itself, or when it is early in the classes, then we come and have a afternoon. Basically, majorly it is outside only, and dinner we do at it PG. Sometimes we go out.
Most of us skip breakfast most of the time. So
I think it's a part of student life to cry about food. मतलब अगर घर पे कॉल करके नहीं रोए कि खाना नहीं मिल रहा है अच्छे से, तो फिर it's a part of student life.
No, but it's legitimately true that you all, you're coming from different places and you all are frankly always hungry and you don't get proper food because a lot of people are leaving home for the first time. Are you all leaving home for the first time, all of you all?
Not for me, ma'am. I have been away from home since I was a kid. I have been staying in a hostel from age 4, I think so.
तो हॉस्टल के खाना से बेटर मिल रहा है या हॉस्टल के खाना से भी खराब मिल रहा है?
मैम इतना आदत हो गया है कि अब अच्छा और खराब से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस खाना चाहिए. अच्छा खाना चाहिए रहता है, सुभाषी सर के पास चल जाते हैं, वो खिला दे.
So, my institute is in Pune. I passed out from Symbiosis, and I remember there were people like y'all from all over India, and they were like, "यार, महाराष्ट्र खाना अच्छा है, लेकिन साबुदाना खिचड़ी और पोहा खा के हम पक गए यार. कब मिलेगा हमें पराठा? कब मिलेगा हमें इडली?" And idli in Pune is different than idli in South India. And paratha, like I don't think I've not tasted North Indian style parathas anywhere in India. Paratha अलग ही होता है वहाँ का. So that was like a thing.
I have spent almost 3 years in Pune. I also did my graduation from there in Indira College of Commerce and Science.
Okay.
Ravde. I have written that part also. But the best thing about Pune was it had chapati.
Yeah, it does.
Different kind of foods. The taste there was comparatively it was better there. The food was also reasonable here. I don't like the foods here.
Well, अभी आदत नहीं है तो कैसे? So
It is
now,
different, but Delhi street food हमेशा से बहुत सुना था, so it's always famous. So we get to try a lot of street food, and the food is really nice. The street food, it's really nice. And thankfully, we have some friends who are local over here, so they take us to like good places. So we get to experience good North Indian food. So I've had some of the best pastas, pizzas. So
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ explore करने के लिए है. Thankfully गुड़गांव में there are a lot of food places that you can explore. So हमारा jam packed schedule से जब भी time मिलता है, so this is one thing we really look forward to, visiting good cafes, good food joints, exploring food in Gurgaon, Delhi. So it's one thing that it is on our
Yeah,
list
yeah.
sometimes, yeah.
Ma'am,
It's so-
Sahil is from Delhi.
हाँ जी.
Sahil is from Delhi.
ओह तो आपने डिफेंड नहीं किया आपका दिल्ली फूड? ये
हाँ,
पूरी
सच्चाई
कुछ
पता है
नहीं
इसको।
मिलता, ये बड़ा लिट्टी
And
चोखा
because
मिलता
they
है.
haven't visited with me till now.
Or not visited with you, so
They
they
went
can
with the wrong
ask you.
company.
They can ask you next time.
Yes.
So tell me one thing. अभी हमने बात किया about the food and the stay, right? So were you all expecting it to be like this? Like what were you all expecting when you all came to GRMI and you all started staying by yourself? And what has the whole experience been like? मतलब क्या? What was a happy surprise for you, and what is still a challenge for you?
For me, I think so. I did not expect anything from the stay and food because I have been staying a lot away from home since I was a kid. So I knew it will be something like this only. But GRMI is something that happened to me suddenly. I never planned for GRMI. My elder brother is doing a job. He suggested me. I did not even go through so much. He only insisted me to go here. It just happened for me. But the best part is of GRMI is we are able to connect with our teachers. And especially Jayan sir, Subhasis sir, they act as our mentors. And Puneet sir was also there. They are very friendly, and whenever we have a problem, they are there for us. Even at night also we can contact them. This is the liberty which I never witnessed in my school life, college life, that I can disturb my teacher or faculty anytime. Even Subhasis sir whom is in Gurgaon, even if we have problem at 10 or 11, his doors are always open for us. At least I have always gone to his room whenever I have problem.
Nice.
The best part about GRMI, according to me, is the faculty, and the teachers who they act as our mentors, and this I have never witnessed before.
I think everybody here understands the student's perspective for the study, for the towards the life, and they understand that सब लोग अपना घर यहाँ पर आए हैं पढ़ने के लिए, मास्टर्स करने के लिए. So everybody is not a kid anymore, but still people require mentors and support behind their back. So our dean sir, Subhashi sir, and Jain sir, and all other faculties as well, they are always behind our back to support us.
Nice. So
There is a line Subhasis sir repeat always.
Sorry.
Party. There is a line Subhasis sir keep on repeating. Study hard, party harder.
Nice. But I never heard that normally from any educational institute. So is it also because your batch is your course size is small? Is that why you feel you have a bonding? Like what is your course size?
I'm 49. I think so. That can be one of the reason, but it majorly can't depend upon the size because the teacher has to reciprocate accordingly. They are
I
very
think
good.
talking about the transitioning, like shifting from Calcutta to Haryana, there's a lot of preconceived notion also, I would say. Like when you're shifting about the culture, about the people, being a girl, living alone, there's a lot of safety concerns about people. So there's a lot of preconceived notions. But I think we had sessions in the college where we were told what kind of changes or what are the things that we need to take care. If you're traveling, how do you travel and how do you keep yourself safe? And apart from that, there are a lot of activities that the college does only in purpose to create the bond and help people bond in the classroom. So that is how we have had a good experience. But I think the college has genuinely put in efforts to help that grow, to make the bonding strong, to grow the bonds. So that is how we feel safe. We travel and all the girls are traveling. We could break free from the preconceived notions and we are living a life, a comfortable life. So that is something I think the college has done.
Nice.
I'm adding to Samita's point. When the faculty here keeps on trying to connect with the student. It is not that the students have to come, but the faculty themselves go to. We had a trip in February last, I think so, in 17 to 20 it was. Jayan sir, Subhasis sir all stayed with us in the same camp. Then they traveled with us in the same. But this take efforts, and it is done from both sides.
Nice, very nice. So, Tanya, I wanted to ask you, like, I'm from Maharashtra, and there are a lot of preconceived notions about Gurgaon, especially, like I said, if there's a girl going there to stay there to study. So, what was it like for you? Where are you from? And, like, how has it been settling to Gurgaon? And,
Okay, so I'm from Delhi only,
oh, you're from
and initially I didn't had any plan to shift to Gurgaon
Okay.
because I was like, I want to stay home even if it's just 1 hour from my place. So it was like the course is hectic.
Hmm.
You have to study a lot, and especially the bonds we created
Hmm.
here. We recently went to a Rishikesh trip. Even we created bonds in the Nimrana when we went to NU University for the exchange program.
Hmm.
Even that was very good, and it actually helped us make really close bonds with our colleagues.
Hmm.
Or
We have
batch.
actually made some good friends here. Sahil
Yeah.
Dingra is one of my first friends when I came here. Tanya
Ah.
also be then Aman Misra. Basically, we have created nice bonds here. And Sahil and
Yeah.
Tanya are my first two friends when I came to JRMI.
Okay. All right.
Movies
When
first
I was
time.
down, Sahil supported me a lot. There was a time where wanted to leave the course. And Sahil came at night, he talked to me. So I think so that is the important part also. We have
Hmm.
generated some good connects here. Like we can rely on them. Misra also, Aman, I'm sorry, I have a habit of calling Misra.
No, I get it. I can see your full name, so I know whom you're talking about. It's okay. So,
He's-
yeah, sorry, go on. Go on.
No, I'm telling you, he's also a good chap.
Okay, all right. So tell me, do you all get time apart from studies? Like the previous group I spoke to, they told me about Rishikesh. One of them was part of some of a placement committee and other things. So do you all get any time off from your studies, and what do you all do, like when you all are free?
Ma'am, like I said, Subhashi sir always says, study hard, party harder.
Hmm.
We have to make our time.
One thing is, ma'am, at GRMI, we are not only growing in our careers, but GRMI is also helping us to grow in our life as well as a human being. We are
Hmm.
learning a lot of things, new things, and learning about management, doing things practically, whatever practically possible, we are learning by doing that things and getting that into consideration. I think we are getting a lot of time behind the course as well. So we are already growing in life, so that we don't need extra so much of time to do other things.
I will like to say that we are
I
not
think
getting so much time. We are getting time, but not so much time.
Not that much time.
I think apart from academics, we
What's
I
have
the
think
topic?
GRMI has taught us to master the art of balancing between partying and studying.
That's a
So,
huge thing.
Yeah.
so
Apart
tell me
from
one
studying, we
thing.
also have a lot of clubs. So we have placement club, we have CSR clubs, we have alum club. So here also we are putting in a lot of efforts to make the clubs grow. So for placement, like I am a part of placement club, so we are working on that. People who are part of CSR clubs, they come up with really nice initiatives where we are doing a lot for the society, and a lot of CSR initiatives we are taking. So the college also helps in that. So we put in some time for that as well. And not only club members, but other students are also participating in it. So that is one thing that I really like. So apart from studies, we are also doing all of these things. And apart from that, we also have a lot of leadership activities where we get to interact with a lot of leaders who are actually in the corporate world right now. So they give us a lot of ideas that what kind of certifications we can do, what kind of articles can we read. So these are some things that we can also do, and these are the kind of guidance that we get from the college. So
Right.
we also do this apart
No,
from the studies.
No, that sounds really good. Aman, you spoke about GRMI is helping you all grow as people as well, and I really appreciated what what you all said earlier about a kind of lecture or lesson about how to travel safe, especially for the women, right? Like how I mean that's what you mentioned. Can you tell me something more that is off the clubs and off your studies, something else that y'all are doing or GRMI is conducted, or something which is unique?
And like we mentioned, that is the case trip.
Mm-hmm.
And we celebrated Women's Day also. We celebrate every kind of festival. We try to celebrate every
You
festival.
all celebrated Women's Day happily, or you all had to because you all
No,
were.
No, ma'am. It was completely our idea.
Everybody
We-
celebrated happily and
It
by
was
their
a
own
beautiful
self.
initiative taken by all the boys of the class.
Yes.
They really made us feel very special, and it was a beautiful thing. It was a beautiful feeling, and we felt really happy. And it was nice seeing all the boys come together and prepare things and
Especially singing songs
make
for us.
all the girls and the women a part who are the part of the institute feel special, and it was really very beautiful.
So, guys, Sahil, Arif, and Aman, make sure. Do you all know when is Men's Day?
No,
Yes, yes.
Make-
And on Wednesday, I'm wishing all the men in my the men that I know. No,
Abhi, it
because
works equal rights in
Yeah,
both
yeah.
ways. Make sure you all insist that
course,
the
of course.
Men's Day should be celebrated.
Yeah,
I
because I
already
think
quoted
if the women
that
are
one
going
from
forward, if the
Shobhita,
girls are
Women's
going
Day, like-
forward, it is impossible without the men in us.
Okay, Sahil, do you know? Do any of you guys know the date of Men's Day?
To be honest, we are not celebrated, so we don't know the exact date. But
Which
we know
was
the
my
month.
point.
It was back in October.
It was 21st November, and you guys missed it.
See,
Because
she
you
don't
guys-
know you.
Because you guys didn't do
Have you
anything.
got any wish? No.
So equal rights, Mangna, it works both ways, right?
Yes.
I'd like
Actually,
what's
when
your...
we plan,
Huh.
actually when we plan anything, we can convey the message to the management, and the management actively take part. Like we were
Okay,
planning
nice.
something or doing a
Support
tea
us a
party
lot.
also for the students.
Whatever we want to do or whatever we are thinking of doing, that the management always supports us a lot in every
Okay.
aspect.
Mhm.
In every
They are
aspect.
always ready to help us to do what we are planning.
We just have to go with a foolproof plan, like what could be the
Uh-huh.
budget, what could be the events, and all those things. And they
That's
just
why I
do
said
it.
na, we are also growing as a person as well. We are
As
learning
people,
things
as
practically.
We had
by
Ganesh
doing
Chaturthi
things.
celebrations in the campus, which was absolutely organized by the students, and it went on for 3 days, and it was absolutely beautiful because I have lived in Mumbai, so it was absolutely like that, nothing less than that, and it was a beautiful celebration. Everything was organized by the students. The teachers, of course, helped us, guided us, but it was done by the students. So these are
Yeah.
some of the activities that we keep doing in the
Off
campus.
the campus.
Yeah.
Right. So
Yes,
there's one sort of question I had. I heard about you had an international faculty whom you all convinced to download Daljit Dosanjh songs, and he ended up
Yeah, yeah.
dancing.
It's
So
a
I
very
heard about that.
interesting
Yeah.
story.
I
Yeah,
want
so
to
we
ask
went out.
Aman and Tanya have spoken, and Sahil have spoken the least. So I want to ask you guys about your favorite faculty and like why. Okay, it can be technical, it can be fun, anything.
It was me, ma'am. I
You
was the-
convinced him. Okay.
and I was also teaching him Bhangra as well.
You taught him Bhangra. Did you
Yes, ma'am.
explain to him the meaning of the words? Otherwise, the poor guy is going to go back and like say all kinds of things.
Actually, I
He
want
was
to add
already
one
there.
thing. We were driving back, so we went. We took him to a South Indian restaurant, and we took him to Delhi Hard. We took him to a South Indian restaurant. He tasted Indian food, and we were coming back. And while our way back, we were really tired, and because we have been like chatting the entire day, we were really tired. So he just said that I think you guys are really tired and your energy is really down. Would you like to hear some music? So I just said, introduced him to Diljit Dosanjh, and I just said that his music is very like full of energy and everything. So he said that can you play something, and I played it in the car, and I actually added those songs in his Spotify, and he said that sometimes my son, like, he's very down and not putting in a lot of energy, so I'm gonna play these songs when I go back to Netherlands, and I'm gonna make everyone dance on this because it's full of energy. So the next day, Aman helped him play it in the class, and everyone danced on it because his motive was to bring
Lighten the
a lot of
mood.
energy in the class.
Lighten the mood.
Yeah.
Tell me about some of your other favorite faculty. Tanya, you have any favorite faculty or favorite lecture or something?
I think all the faculty is like very good.
And mention your favorite one. Choose one.
Very difficult to answer one.
Don't be.
The one who failed you.
Okay, I'm not going to ask you that question. You want to tell me? Tell me.
Sahil will say.
So, yeah, Sahil, who's your favorite lecture? बोलते हो faculty नहीं तो
But-
favorite lecture.
But ma'am, one day before exam, Arif teaches us the best.
he actually teaches you guys? Like seriously, he teaches you guys? Or
Yes,
it's-
actually.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
has
we
everyone
got all
passed
the
after your
X
teaching,
mark
Arif?
exam.
Yes, ma'am. Till now, everyone is passing, and the irony is, I only get the lowest marks.
I
Everyone
was
gets the
going to ask
marks.
you. I was going to ask you. Is it like those movies where everyone passes and they're like, Arif, your answers are too similar, so you have no
It's
marks?
always the
Is it-
same story, ma'am. It's always the same story. He always gets
Ma'am, it's
the.
always the same. It is happening. I always get the least marks. And somehow my paper goes wrong.
How do you do that? You're getting so engrossed in teaching, you're forgetting your own lessons like that.
Ma'am, actually, I get distracted very easily. In exam hall also, I keep on moving here and there.
He is the first person to move out of the examination hall after giving the exam.
Okay, that's confidence. I mean, you're like, acha ho gaya mera, khatam le lo, I'm going
No,
like
ma'am,
that.
that is just keeping myself on the safe side because I get distracted and I don't like to keep sitting
Okay,
quiet in
so-
one place. In
so I have
that
a
case, my
question.
paper will be get cancelled. So I just completed.
You leave. So I have a question. You leave first. Who is the one who keeps taking extra sheets and giving other people tension that acha yaar ye itna kya likh rahi hai ya likh raha hai? Who's
Aman
that
Gupta.
one?
Ma'am, we have a student, Aman Gupta.
Okay, so he's the one taking extra sheets always. And who's the one who's sitting and please 5 more minutes, 2 more minutes till right
Right.
till the
Right?
Yeah.
He keeps on writing till the last moment.
I usually write all of my thoughts.
All of your thoughts. You're writing all your thoughts. Matlab, whether they're connected to the subject or not, you're still writing your thoughts.
Ma'am,
Usually I
lyrics
will
लिख के आता ही है.
No,
Ma'am,
okay.
but the way he thinks, I think so it is very different than us. He is like that person. What we tell in joke that एक लाइन बता दो बाकी आंसर हम खुद लिख लेंगे. बता दो आंसर हम लिख लेंगे. He comes from that background. Now,
So, go on.
till now I have not seen him study like we do. He just come, बता दे भाई, and he goes and he get good marks than me.
So I have a question, right? Now this podcast this interview is supposed to be also for people who are contemplating risk management as a career and who would potentially want to come to GRMI. So when you all joined, or let me say, couple of years down the line, what is the kind of work you all want to be doing, and who are the kind of people who should be coming here? Like, what will you tell them to focus on? What is it necessary that they have a particular academic background? Like, what would be your advice to someone, younger than you who's looking at risk management as a career?
So I would like to
Ma'am,
answer
that's
this question.
Hmm.
Like according to me, I can say blindly any fresher can trust this course. Like in spite of any background, he or she can definitely pursue this course. Like he or she will be definitely get placements into some good companies and also good exposure to certain things, which we are getting when we have done our MBA and years of working experience and all those things. Then we got directly to this course. Maybe we are late, but let's not say it's a late time. It can be a right time also. So according to me, for any fresher, it is the best course I can suggest in India. In India, we can say. And
But
coming
is it a challenge if somebody is from, let's say, an arts background or a non-commerce background?
0% I agree to this
Not
point.
really.
There's no chance because
In
there
the
is a
starting-
bridge program initially for 1 month where you will be taught all the basics of the accountings and all those things which are required here. So
Okay.
after that, it will be like an open book for everyone, like even me from commerce, anyone from science, and anyone from humanities and all those things. So it hardly matters like from which background you come. And you are talking about like in which fields we are going in future, like what are our visions and what are the
Yeah.
So generally, we would be preferring more in audits. Some risk, like third party risk, IT risk, or we can say any other cyber security risk, all these things. So this would be our future journeys. And definitely they are going and admired in all the organizations and they are all looking at all the
Why
competition.
your voice is breaking?
Sorry. Not speaking.
Ma'am, actually the subject
This is
that
a
they
course
teach
which
us.
is, I think this
One
is a
minute.
course which is equally good for the freshers as well as people who have experience. No matter where in which line you have an experience, you would be able to relate it over here because if you were working in operations or sales or finance, no matter what, there's gonna be risk in every sector. So maybe you were doing something and things were going wrong, you didn't realize at that point of the time. But when you come here and you actually study, you're able to relate things that, these things, these were happening, these were the risks that were there. I couldn't see it. Probably if I could have analyzed this risk and mitigated it, these are the kind of controls I could have put. So it's a very relatable course. Even if you have experience in any sector, you can still find this very relatable, because no matter what process, risks are everywhere, and we are taught about risk on every process. So we actually study the entire business value chain and the risk related to it. So I think it's a very good course for the freshers as well as for people who have experience.
Actually, the
And
subject that they teach here is not taught anywhere. So it doesn't matter are you are coming from engineering or commerce or arts, because the subjects are practical knowledge. They have made a course out of it, and it is a very beautiful course. But the subjects are not taught anywhere, so it will not matter anyone. And the people who are coming from the arts or engineering background, and there is a big program to cope up with them. And then everyone is on the same page, because as I mentioned, it is a different course at totally.
And even our LMs had told us, like, even there are some classes which held there for 20 hours or 40 hours majorly. Seriously, clearly they have communicated, जो मैम 20 घंटे पढ़ा रही है ना, ये पढ़ लेना 2 साल तो same. This is the clear cut line which they have said to us. So
okay.
this is the kind of knowledge, or we can say practical exposure which we are getting here.
And our faculty also are from different. They are from different domains. They are working right now, so they have a very different kind of knowledge. They share their practical experience with us, which cannot be taught in, or which cannot be mentioned down in a book, because it
Yes.
keeps on changing. It is a dynamic world, and to keep us updated, our
And
management tries.
And also from here you can
take the.
Sorry, one
And
second.
also from-
Aman, I just wanted to ask you, so do you have something in mind, like what is the industry you want to focus on, or what is the kind of work you want to do a couple of years down the line? And, maybe with your background, you can tell others who have a similar background what your experience has been at GRMI.
Yes, in my mind, currently I'm focusing on that. I want to go in the internal audit field, because after 12th मैंने CA करने का try किया था, and I cleared the CA inter as well. And after that, after the graduation was completed, so I thought CA final would be a lot much harder for me, and I would not be able to crack it. So after graduation, I had worked with the Excel services, and after that, I had chosen to do the masters. And considering the fact that MBA बहुत ही ज़्यादा अब आज की डेट में जेनरिक हो चुका है, and that is not suitable for each and everyone. Not saying that every college is like that, but in the many parts of the colleges, that if you are doing the MBA, people are landing in at the end of the day, people are landing into sales job only.
Yeah, that is also happening, yes.
That was the real truth. And so after that, I decided to come to JRMI. And here I got to know that the internal audit field is also open for me. And as I was from the background of CA, I was studying about the audits and all. And that has related to me a lot, that it will be a lot much comfortable for me to go into that field. And that's why it was a better option for me.
Okay, nice. Tanya, you want to add something?
Okay, so when I joined JRMI, my graduation got finished in July 24, and I joined JRMI July 24. So I am a fresher, and when I first came here, I was like, people are here and who have like 4 or 5 years of work experience. How am I going to cope up with it? And it will be difficult for me. But gradually, this thing is actually like मेरे को help ही मिल रही है उससे, and exposure मिल रहा है to learn new things. They motivate me, and you get to learn a lot from your peers.
I'm really liking what I'm hearing, that you all are learning from each other, because you all are coming from diverse backgrounds and different, some have work experience, some don't, and different academic backgrounds also you all are coming from, right? I think that's a big thing. Also, you all know this, but 10-15 years down the line, all of y'all will be the biggest asset you take away from any postgraduate course is the network you make. And that becomes like a really strong thing. You may not see each other for years or whatever, but y'all are always there for each other. Step Up or your alumni group or your alumni get-togethers, it becomes like a very strong networking thing. So I think that I'm liking this. And I heard about the freshers party. So was that the icebreaker for you guys? Is that when you all felt, अच्छा ठीक है आ गए हम ये सब मेरे दोस्त बनेंगे? Or what was the time that you all sort of the walls came down?
For me, ma'am, it was after the Diwali vacation in Subhashish sir's birthday. It was on 14th, but we had a party where everyone was invited.
14 November, like all
Yes.
this now.
Yes.
Children's Day.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है. Go on.
He gave us a party and it was a very big one. And that was the first time when I connected basically with different students. As I mentioned, I was friends with Sahil, Tanya, and I Prince and Sarthak in the starting stages, but making new friends or making new bonds, it happened after that only. After that, I gained some confidence. In that party, I first communicated with Subhashi sir in a very friendly way and Jayan sir also. I think so. In that party, I had a chat with Jayan sir for approx 2.5 hours. We were sitting in a corner. He was talking. He was telling me different things, how to be better in my studies, how to grow as a person, and how to be honest is a completely beneficial thing. Because in the starting, there was some, what I can say, there was some negativity around me. So he helped me come across that, and after that I gained some confidence and gradually I made some friends. Now I can say that in Jeremiah, in a batch of 49, I have at least 7 to 8 friends who are like blind supporters of me. If I will say that हाँ भाई यही है, they will like हाँ अब तो यही है, अब जो होगा देख लेंगे, अब यही है, and 3 of them are sitting here and I have 4-5 more that अब तो यही है, भाई ने पूरा करने का मतलब करने का.
अमन फंसा रहा है ये आप लोगों को साहिल. जो बोलेगा आप लोग हाँ बोलोगे.
नहीं मैम, we all are now like that only. If one person says like this is gonna happen, so no one in the group denies that.
No,
Everybody
that's
accepts.
it's
I
really
have a
nice.
funny story related to that only. We went for rafting, and after that, we told him to make the video, and after that, everyone was going to negotiate the price. And he was telling a
For video.
rafting video.
Rafting.
अच्छा,
video.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Rishikesh.
He told us the price of 3200. I tried to negotiate, but he did not budge. Then I told, हाँ ठीक है हम दे देंगे 3200 रुपया. The rest of the people who were sitting with me, everyone was annoyed, but everyone told the same thing. अब बोल दिया है तो बोल दिया है, दे दो.
At that moment, I was also sitting with him. I was like thinking कि मार खाने वाला काम किया है इसने, because 3200 is for video is not.
लुटना कहते हैं.
But then I said कि जबान दे दी है तो दे दी, अब क्या करे, देना तो है.
There were
No, it's
7
not-
people.
But
Because of these
समझदारी भी
7
एक चीज
people had to
होती
pay
है.
more. Because
तो
of these
हमने
7
दिखाया
people
था
had to pay
तान्या.
more.
And yes, we didn't even pay a single penny for the video.
We paid 0 for it.
How did that happen? Women's Day privilege.
Women's
was-
Day.
नहीं, negotiation.
हम लड़के हमारे साथ ऐसा ही होता है.
आपको बताया do
हमने
not
थोड़ी
let go of
समझदारी
men's
ज्यादा
day.
दिखाई थी.
Do not let go of men's day. आजकल equal rights works बहुत हुए थे.
बहुत
आप लोग
दिक्कत
छोड़ना
हुआ.
मत men's day.
में इक्वालिटी नहीं है.
But it was really nice talking with you all. You know, I'm really seeing the personal bonding and the connects and personal growth, like you said, Arif, right? You came in a slightly different space of mind, लेकिन यहाँ पे दोस्त बने and the bonds you all made with the faculty and amongst each other. That's also a
Yeah.
personal growth
Or
thing.
like to-
That
like
was the most.
adding to your point, like you asked, you got your bondings after the freshers and all those things. That's actually the trend here in GRMI is fresher doesn't happen on the initial days when the batch starts.
Okay.
It happens after 2.5 or 3 months of the completion, because people get to know a little bit about each other, so that they
Okay.
can interact more at the time of freshers. Otherwise, if they all stay unknown to each other, they all keep standing and just
Yeah, it'll be very awkward. Yeah.
yeah, right. That is why we generally do freshers after 2-3 months of completion of beginning of the course. So that is the trend here for the freshers.
But that's a really good idea actually, because on the first day, first week, everyone's scared. You don't know each other. You're like,
Exactly.
अच्छा, जाके
And
हमारा
even
तो
when one gets judged and all those things like so, it usually happens like after a bonding, certain bondings.
yeah. So this is a good peaceful way to kind of get the group together. So yeah, it was nice talking with you all, getting to know what you all have to say to the future students, and it was fun. It was fun. I hope it was a good start to your Monday. नहीं तो Monday तो boring सा होता है. इधर आके बोल दिया अच्छा ठीक है chat about GRMI.
For us, the weekends are more hectic and weekdays are a little light.
Weekends are a little light. Okay, all right. ठीक है, so
No, the opposite. Weekends are like very hectic.
Weekends are
Why is
more
that?
hectic.
Because the
Because of-
corporate faculties, they get times on weekends basically.
so are you all already doing your internship or how is it?
No, ma'am.
No,
Still
it is like- Corporate faculties come here to
In
teach
May,
us.
I think so. Basically, it will start.
Sorry.
we are heading towards
May.
our internship course.
In May, it will start.
So basically,
And
we
let us
have a
ask
few
Subhasis around
faculties
us,
who are
they will
actually
vote us.
working in the corporate right now. So they work during the weekdays.
Oh,
So weekends they are
Yes.
free, so they come down to teach us. So that is why weekends we
Oh.
necessarily have longer sessions and longer classes because
Okay.
of the faculties who are working. So
Okay.
that is why weekends are more hectic for us.
Okay. So it's reversed actually.
Yeah. Even
Yes.
I'm from Delhi, and since last 1 month I was not able to go to my home because of all these things. Because in
It's
weekdays
not
my
a
parents,
You are
for
not
us.
looking dukhi at all. You did not look dukhi. I'm not able to go to my house. You're like, oh, I was not able to go to my house.
that is
This sounds
maturity.
मैम दुख है छिपाना पड़ता है लड़के हैं.
नहीं दुखी तो बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. काफी खुश लग रहा है कि अच्छा घर नहीं जा पा रहा.
India जीती है ना मैम कल.
Yes, ma'am.
So also one more point, like we are also running our own page, Life at GRMI at Instagram. So I
What
usually
is-
post reels.
Right.
Reels like how we students are like partying, how we are studying, any memes or these kind of things. We recently started just 2-3 months back. So if you get any time, you just go and please check the page. It is Life at GRMI,
Promotion.
and you follow. You follow
Basically,
very
the
nice.
insights of GRMI.
Okay, that is
Yes,
student
Your one
life.
share can really boost our page.
That is student life, right? You all are posting about
Yes,
your
yes.
lives and things
Yes.
like that, right? It sounds good. This is on Instagram, Life
Yes.
at GRMI.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So I was just
I'll
requesting
check.
your one share can boost our page if you if you share any post.
Well done. Don't miss a chance to market.
One more thing is, ma'am, yesterday we all had watched the match India versus New
Ah,
Zealand.
where were you guys?
Together.
Where were you guys? Where did you all
On the
watch?
campus,
Team
on
Subhasis,
the campus.
Huh. All of you all, everybody who wanted to watch.
No,
Yeah,
everyone,
who
whoever
wanted to come,
interested in
everyone was
watching the cricket.
Huh.
You can
Whoever
check the
was
reel
interested in
also.
watching
I posted a reel yesterday regarding this.
whoever want. बोल
We,
दे
we were dancing on every boundary. We were dancing on every wicket that falls on New Zealand, and we were enjoying each and every moment of the match, each and
It
every
was
ball.
it was quite a thriller match. It was quite
Yes.
a thriller
Sitting
match.
with,
The best
sitting
part
with
was
Subhasis sir and
against-
watching the match was a
Huh.
great fun. It was the best match we
That
have
was
seen.
the best part that Subhasis sir was enjoying with us in the same energy.
Huh.
It was not like I'm the dean, he will sit on the chair. No, he was enjoying with us every single ball like we were enjoying.
He was even dancing with me. I was so.
जैसे सुनील गावस्कर की
That
रील
is the
वायरल
best part
हुई है
of
वैसे
GRMI,
Yes,
according
yes.
to me.
हाँ सुनील गावस्कर की रील वायरल हुई वैसे शुभशीष की भी रील वायरल कर दो डांसिंग अवे टू
हमने डाल दिया मैम वायरल आप
मेरा
करोगे.
प्लान यही है, हो नहीं रहा है. प्लान यही
हमने
है.
डाल दिया है लाइव एट GRMI पे वायरल आप करोगे शेयर करके.
Okay, all right. ठीक है guys, so it was so nice chatting with you all, and I wish you all the very best. And yes, I'm going to be conducting a few more sessions, and then maybe sometime I'll see you guys at campus if I'm visiting Delhi. So thank you, thanks so much.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah.